Hey guys, Handyman POV back with another one. Today I'm going to do another video on this Dewalt DCG418. It's the Flexvolt 60 volt grinder, and I'm using a dust shroud with a 4-inch grinding cup. When you get the dust shroud aligned on the collar just right, the grinder wheel should just peek out past the brushes on the grinder. It's a perfect example of a situation where you'd want to use this grinder for flattening of concrete. You can see we've got these, we need to level off this area where the chimney used to be, and the concrete here is, it's not flat. So I'm going to hook up my vacuum to the dust port on the back of the grinding shroud. This one doesn't fit tight, so I'm just going to hold it there. So if you need to sand concrete, essentially this is the tool that you need to do it. But follow your local recommendations, regulations as far as dust containment. Do use the dust shroud when you're grinding concrete with a clean filter on your vacuum. And wear a mask is also recommended if you're doing a lot of this. Don't want to breathe this dust. All right, thanks for watching. Till the next time.